Hi students, today I am going to discuss the chapter name is Matrices. This is your third chapter I am going to discussing today. So what is matrices? First we have to know. So matrix and matrices. Matrix nothing but singular, matrices nothing but plural. Okay, first we have to know that what is the matrices definition. The matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers which are either real or complex or functions. It means it is an rectangular arrangements of a number. What type of numbers? Either real numbers or complex number or function. So for example, okay, I'm going to take this is the matrix. So matrix you usually have to denote it by capital letters, and these are the elements. Elements you have to denote it by small letters. Okay, this is the matrix. So matrix, it means what? It is an rectangular arrangements of numbers. Correct? So this is called what? A matrix. I'm going to give one more example. Okay, this is also one of the matrix example. So here also elements are the numbers, also you can use complex number, also you can use. So these are the function, also function nothing but cos function, sine function. For example, I'm going to write one more result: cos x e sin x b. Okay, so this is also one of the example for the matrix. Correct? Okay, so these are the elements you can consider, and usually you have to denote it by matrix are capital letters. You have to denote A, B, C, D, so like that. Okay, so these are the elements. Then next we have to know that row and column. What is row and what is column? I mean, the horizontal line elements are the row. Horizontal line elements are the row you can consider. Okay, these are the horizontal lines. Elements, horizontal line elements are the row you can consider. This we have to consider. So these are the row. So how many rows are there? You have to observe here. This is the R1 and this is R2. Two rows are there in this matrix. Similarly, here also how many rows? Two rows are there. And here also how many rows are there? Observe here. 1, 2, 3. Three rows are there here. We also take it. This is R1 and this is R2 and this is R3. Three rows are there. It means row nothing but horizontal line elements are considered as a rows. Then column nothing but opposite. Vertical lines elements are considered as a columns. So columns nothing but this we have to consider. I'll usually have to take it vertical lines. So this way. So this here how many columns are there? 1, 2. Two columns are there here. And we also denote this is the first column and this is the second column. Here also how many columns are there? Up here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three columns are there. And here how many columns are there? 1, 2. Here 2 columns are there. 2 rows are there. Next we are going to study about order of a matrix. So what is the order of the matrix? It means it's very simple. Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns is considered as the order of the matrix. It means number of rows they are usually denoting m into n. M nothing but number of rows, n nothing but number of columns. M cross n, order of the matrix. It means I will take one example. So already you know that what is a matrix. 1 root 3, 2 and 9. So this is the one matrix. So here m nothing but already we discussed the number of rows. How many number of rows are there here? 2 rows. So m is equals to 2. And n is equals to how many columns are there? N is equals to 2. N is also 2 because column also 2. So how to represent this result as the order of a matrix? It means in this place you have to write the order. So how many rows and how many columns are there here? 2 rows and 2 columns are there. 2 rows and 2 columns are there. This we have to write. This is the order of the matrix. So matrix you have to represent it means 2 into 2. And for example, one more is 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 1 and 0. Okay, here also one of the matrix. And here also how many rows are there? You have to observe that first row, second row, third row. So 3 rows, 3 into how many columns are there? Vertically 2. So it means 2 columns. That is the this matrix is having 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 into 2. So how many elements are there in this matrix? It means you have to. It is very easy. Multiply these two results. 3 into 2. What is the answer? 6. 6 elements are there now here. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there in this matrix. Okay, this is representing order of the matrix. Correct? So next thing is what? How to represent the elements of the matrix. How to represent the elements of the matrix. Okay, I'm going to take it one example here. I'm discussing how to represent the elements in the matrix. Okay, so this is already know that 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So elements you have to represent it means it is a very simple case. First, here also already know that this is the first row, and second row, third row, and here first column, second column, third column. So first element is A11. You have to write A11, nothing but first row, first column. It means first row, first column. It means this is the first element. And next, first row, second column. It means 1, 2. That right. And this is first row, third column. So this we have to represent the elements of the matrix. So again here, this is the second row. Start with 2 and first column 2, 1. And this is A22 and this is A23. Next again similarly, this is the third row, first column, third row, first column, third row, second column, A23, A33. Okay, so this way how to represent the elements. This is only, I'm taking here 3 into 3. You may also take 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Any order of you can take it and also you can represent. Correct? So this is the result A11, A12. So in this example also, okay, why you have to know? It means, okay, in this example, what is the A12 result? A12 result, no, this is the address of the matrix, address of the elements you can consider. Okay, A12 where it is, you have to check out in this. 1, 2, it means this is the meaning. This is the row represent first row, second column, first row, second column, first row. This is the first row, and this is the second column. It means this is the element. A12 is the 3 is the answer. Element, this element address, it means that is A12. This is the one, and A22 we have to consider. A22 it means second row, second column. This is the result. And here A13 in this example, A13 means first row, third column. First row, third column is there? No, it means there is no elements here. If it is there, then only you can write on the address. Okay, and in this case also you can write it means A21. A21 you have to write in this matrix. It means where is the address here? This result you have to upload. This is the second row and first column. So what is the answer here? 2 is the element. Correct? Okay. Next, general representation of a matrix for the order m into n. So for example, I am going to write it here. So I am going to take this is the order is m cross n. Generally, you have to consider generally n cross m. M cross n nothing but m rows and n columns you have to write, and how to represent all the elements also. See, first already you know that now. A11 is the answer, first number. Next result is what? A12, because this is the first row and second column. Next A13, so on up to what is the last number? A1n, because this is the first row, completely first row only, and last number it means first column, second column, third column, and last one is the n column because already it's written here. Okay, similarly, so second one A21, A22, A23, so on up to last one is A2n. Correct? Next also you can write it one more result, A3, 3 1 because third row first column, third row second column, third row third column, so on to last result is A3n. Okay, so continuously how to write it means up to how many rows are there here? M rows. So last result you have to write it means what is the answer here? AM1 because this is the last row, that is M rows. M1, AM2, AM3, so on to what is the last number? Here the last column is N and here the last row is M. It means AMN is the last element. Okay. So this will continuously have to write on the answers. Okay. So generally you can also take it ith row and jth column. It means I and j I am going to consider. I means here I am going to take it the rows. Suppose somewhere one, generally how to write one result in here. Here suppose I am going to take it one more result, jth column. Suppose here first row, first column, second column, third column. Somewhere here is the jth column I am going to consider. Jth column. So jth column how to write it means this is already know that this is the first row. Write it first row and jth result. Correct? So next you have to write it A2j, A3j. Continuously how to write on this result also. And suppose you have to write it here middle. ith row you have to consider. Ith row. Ith row it means what is that result? It means here you have to start AI1. Next AI2, AI3, so on up to. So here what is the answer? It means ith row, jth column. It means Aij. Continuously you have to write on last result is what? Ai. Here last column is what? N. Ain. And here also you can write continuously. This result is Amj is also. Correct? This we also represent generally how to take it. So now they are taking here generally what is the result. Usually write the general formula same as it is. Generally they are considering Aij. I nothing but rows. Which row is their element, and J is also which column, which row, which column. It means the I and J are denoting. So generally how to take out this result, the matrix A is equals to Aij. Aij means I value is usually you have to take out that. Yes. One I takes the value between 1 to m only. Here observe this one I value is 1, 2, 3 or last number is what m only. And j value is also same as it is between 1 and n here because nth column is so n is the result. So usually how to generally how to define it means what is this order m cross n. So why you have to find out this all the result it means. So sometimes they are also given the question, construct the matrix 2 into 3. Construct the matrix 2 into 3. It means what is this meaning? 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns it means how to write on this generally it means. So here only I will write it that result. 2 rows, first 2 rows it means first row you have to start A1, A11, A12, A13 because 3 columns are there and 2 rows it means, so write it here A21, A22, A23. Now I have to check out what is the order of this matrix. 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So generally you have to define the matrix. Construct the matrix it means this way how to write on. Okay. Let us discuss the example. First one. If the matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? It means how many elements are there here? 8 elements are there. So what are the possible orders? Already know that order of the matrix. Okay. In this matrix, totally 8 elements are there. So 8 elements are, it means what are the possible orders it can have? It means you can also write in this result what are the orders it means. 1 cross 8 also you can take it. It means 1 row 8 columns. Otherwise 8 cross 1 also you can write it. It means 8 rows and 1 column. This is also one of the possible. Or next 2 into 4. It means 2 rows and 4 column. 4 into 2 what is the answer? Again 8 elements only. This is also one of the possible orders. Yes. Or reverse also. 4 into 2 also you can consider. Okay. So these are the answers. Again any other results are there? No. It means what are the possible orders? It means 1 cross 8 or 8 cross 1 or 2 cross 4 or 4 cross 2. So these are the possible orders. possible order, or you also write order pairs. It means you can write on this way pair wise 1 comma 8, 8 comma 1, 2 comma 4, or 4 comma 2. In 1 marks they are going to ask this type of questions. Okay, suppose same question there are 13 elements are there, then what are the possible orders? It means, so 13 elements are there in this result. It means, so you have to write only two chances, because 1 into 13, no? Only one case, otherwise 13 into 1. Correct? So this is the prime number. Only these are the two answers. 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. These are the two possible orders. Okay. Next, second question. Observe here. Construct a 2 into 2 matrix whose elements are given by aij is equals to I plus j whole square divided by 2. This is the question. So first you observe this result. What is that result they are given? It means, here I am going to write aij is equals to I plus j whole square divided by 2. This is the equation they are given for. But you have to construct, what is the result? 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 first generally you have to write down. It means what is the answer? Observe here. 2 cross 2 elements. So the matrix is having 2 cross 2, it means 4 elements are there. Then how to write down this result? First row first, column A11, A12, next A21, A22. So these are the elements. Then you have to find out each element. Here A is a formula already given. So first question, first you have to start here. What is the first element? A11. A11 nothing but, so first what is the formula? I am going to write it here. I plus j whole square divided by 2. Here I is equals to 1 and j is equals to also 1. Correct? So aij means I is equals to, what is the result? 1, and j is also 1, and fill up here 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and here also square is there, make it square. 1 plus 1 2 whole square divided by 2. 2 square answer is 4, and 4 divided by 2, it means 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the answer? 2 is remaining. So carefully observe the square here. Okay. And next the second question. Second result, sorry. Second one is what? A12. A12 it means I value is 1, j value is 2. So fill up here directly. Whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square answer is 9 divided by 2. So this is the answer, 9 by 2. Step A12 over. Next one is A21. A21 is I is equals to 2, j is equals to 1. So again you have to fill up in this equation. I is equals to 2 plus j is equals to 1 whole square divided by 2. Then 2 plus 1 is again 3. 3 square answer is again 9 by 2 is the answer. Next, last one, fourth element is what? A22. A22 means I is also 2 and j is also 2. Now you have to fill up here. I is also 2, j is also 2 whole square divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. So answer is 8. So after finding all the elements, finally you have to write this result. A is equals to, what is the A11 answer here? Get finally 2. So write it here 2. And the A12 answer is 9 by 2. And the A21 answer is also 9 by 2. And last one A22 answer is 8. So this is your concept of the 2 into 2 matrix. Okay. Next example 3. Same type example, this one also. Observe here. Construct a 3 into 2 matrix whose elements are given by, again equation you have to observe here. Aij is equals to 1 by 2, modulus is given here, modulus of I minus 3j. First you have to write on that what is the condition they are given here. Aij is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. So construct here 3 into 2 is there. So 3 into 2 matrix, it means 3 rows and 2 columns. So write it here. Generally you have to write on the matrix, it means 3 rows and 2 columns. First number A11, next A12, only 2 columns are there. Next A21, A22, next A31, A32. 3 into 2, it is correct. Now you have to find out these all the elements first. One by one you have to find out. First element is A1. First, what is the formula is given here? Aij is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. Okay. first element is A1 1. It means I is also 1, j is also 1. Fill up in this case 1 by 2 modulus of 1 I value is 1 minus 3 into j value is also 1. 1 by 2 modulus 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3. And then simplify 1 minus 3. What is the answer here? Again I will continue here. 1 by 2 as it is. Modulus of 1 minus 3, it means that result is minus 2. Already here modulus are there. It means that result is only plus 2. So 2 get cancelled. Again finally remaining answer is 1. This is the element is what? A11 answer you get. 1 is the answer. Next second case. Second element is what? A12. It means I is equals to 1, j is equals to 2. Fill up here directly. 1 by 2. I value is 1 minus 3 into j value is here 2. Again simplify here. 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Then 1 minus 6 answer is minus 5. But again modulus is, it means this result is 5 by 2. And similarly third result A. This element A21. Here carefully observe, I value is 2 and j value is 1. Now the result is 1 by 2. I value is 2 minus again 3 into j value is 1. And then simplify this result 1 by 2 modulus of 2 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1 modulus, that means that result 1 into 1 is 1 only. So 1 by 2. This is the result. A21 answer is 1 by 2. And next fourth element is A22. A22 you have to find out, it means I value is also 2, j value is also 2. Then also simplify this result. What is the answer? 1 by 2 modulus of 2 minus 3 into 2. And again 1 by 2. 3 into 2 it means 6. So 2 minus 6 it means minus 4. But again modulus is there. So modulus it means this result is also 1 by 2, 4 only. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So final answer is 2. Now I think all of you getting this result clearly understand. So next one is fifth one. Fifth one also you have to find out A31. A31 it means 1 by 2. I value is 3 and j value is 1. 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 into 1 is again 3. So this result is 0. It means the answer will be getting 0 only, because 3 into I value, j value is 1, I value is 3. So 3 minus 3 0. 0 multiplied with 3 number is 0 only. And last number is what? A32. A32 means 1 by 2. I value is 3 and j value is 2. And 3 into 2 is 6. 3 minus 6 is 3. The final answer is what? 3 by 2. So now I have to find out all the values. It means finally what is the case? I have to write all the elements. So finally I am going to write it here. A is equals to, what are the answers you are getting? First answer is what? Here is the A11 1. A12 is 5 by 2. And next A21 is 1 by 2. A22 is 2. A31 is 0. And last A32 is 3 by 2. So this is equal 3 into 2 matrix. Okay. Okay student, take out this 5 questions for homework. Go and solve this, all the 5 questions. Okay.